The greatest loan is the greatest accusation against me is going to go bankrupt. You will pay me. Lalo na kung malaki yung mga pagkukautang ninyo, masyadong malala yung inyong paninira sa akin, utang yun. That's why don't do injustice to anyone. If you do injustice to anyone, utang yun. Inutang mo. Di ba pumatay ka, inutang mo yung buhay? Babayaran mo yun. False accusations, malicious accusations, malaking utang yun. But that's an injustice. Gross injustice is a big loan. You're borrowing from me, and I'm smiling, giving at you. God bless you. Father said, love your enemy. Do good to them that hate you. When good to them, you are loaning them.